How to change your username on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually change your username on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So changing the username for your Snapchat account is pretty much very simple. First things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app. And once you've updated Snapchat, in order to change the username, first of all, we will just go ahead and then open up Snapchat. And as soon as you open up Snapchat, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. What you have to do is from the very top left hand corner of the screen, just go and tap on the Bitmoji avatar over here. Once you come to this particular page, in order to change our username, you have to go to settings page. So to do that, just tap on the gear icon which you see on the top right corner. And as soon as you tap on the gear icon, you'll see all these kinds of various options. If you look at the second option, you have this section which says username. So if you want to change your username, just go ahead and select username. But keep in mind that once you change your username, you will not be able to change it for the next 365 days, because this is a limitation from Snapchat itself, so that they're trying to avoid as many spam accounts as possible. And you can see it says this is how your friends find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year. So this is actually a really not so good news, but this is simply how Snapchat is working around on this issue. They only allow users to actually change their username once a year. So you want to be very careful on that. So simply go ahead and select change username button over here and simply tap on the continue button. You can see it says once you change the username, no one will be able to claim your old one, including you. So even you yourself will not be able to claim your old username. But this is it. This is how you can very easily change your username on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.